Today, I'm going to show you how to roast cannellini beans. Drain the cannellini beans. Then you want to pat them dry with a few paper towels. Now add the olive oil and mix that well. Add the paprika, the cayenne pepper, the salt, the garlic powder, and mix that well. Finally, add the nutritional yeast and mix that well to combine. Spread the beans out in a single layer. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Now bake on 425 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes, checking them and shaking them occasionally. Spoon them out on a serving dish or let them cool thoroughly and store them in an airtight container. And here you have a simple, delicious, high-protein snack. Thanks for watching.